Well, hello everybody, welcome back. I'm afraid I've got some sad news. On the 26th of January, my father passed away. It was after a period of some short stays in hospital where he had gone in with infections, and the last time he was in, unfortunately the body couldn't see him through it. He was 92. In fact, he would have been 93 in a couple of weeks' time. My dad was always there. He used to walk with me every morning, watching me on Skype as we walked the dog down to the beach, watch the sunrise, run along the beach, through the woods and back to the car. He was my best friend. When I was young, he repaired television sets in his garage, and I used to watch in amazement as he used oscilloscopes, his trusty Avo 8 multimeter, and he'd repair radios, record players and television sets. And it's what gave me the interest in electronics and destined my future. He took me down to my first interview at Marconi Avionics in Rochester, Kent. He was with me when I bought my first motorbike. He used to watch me in the garage repairing clocks and my home build projects. He always said he didn't have the patience to do it, but I knew he had the ability to do it. He was a very clever man. I think what I'll miss him most is the fact that he was always interested in whatever I did and supported me all the way through. He was very good with the children. They all loved him to bits. Uncle John. As is my want, a new job to come in would take my attention, and he always used to say, just do one job at a time, finish the one you've started. And so I will make sure I do stick to that in future. Words can't really express what feelings I'm going through at the moment, but I'm going to soldier on. I've got plenty of videos to do. He used to like to see me busy, and that will continue. The clock behind me is a grandfather clock, 1760 approximately. Rob Brown of Bottisdale, 30-hour clock. I've had it a couple of years. I picked it up on the way down to see my dad on one occasion and brought it back on my return to Edinburgh, and it's been working fine. Although over the last couple of months it started to lose a minute or two a day, so it's about ready for a service. Also, it's got a chime on it, and it's coming up to 4 o'clock now, but you'll see when it strikes. it strikes 12 instead of 4, and so I'll need to find out what's causing that. It's got the endless chain weight and pendulum. It's a lovely clock in great condition. So in the next video you'll see me taking this apart, finding out why the chime isn't working properly. Sorry, why the strike isn't working properly. And we'll get that going again. So thanks very much for watching. It's going to be difficult for the next few weeks, if not months, to cope with my dad passing, but he would have wanted me to carry on with the clocks, as he was very interested in them. So thanks so much to everybody watching. I've now got over 190 subscribers, which is fantastic, and my dad would have wanted me to carry on, and I fully intend to. So I'll be with you very shortly with the next video of me taking this clock apart, and let's find out what's wrong with that strike. Okay, thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.